There's a person coming. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my new car. I got a new car. It's a 2019 Toyota Corolla. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And just keep watching if you want to see my new car. So when you open the door, this is what it looks like. Here's the seats. They're like bucket seats with blue trim. It's super cute. And then we have that. So this is the inside of my car. Here we just have the window thingies, the lock and unlock, and then the window lock. Here you can just adjust the side mirrors and like how bright the inside lights are right here. Here's the steering wheel. Right here we have the volume buttons, and then you can like change the song or whatever. And then you have the call and hang up buttons. And then up here we have the speedometer, just like regular stuff. It tells you when you are going out, if you're going over like 32 miles per hour, it will tell you when you are going out of the lane. Like it'll beep, and then the steering wheel will actually shift to whichever side you need to go to. So that's pretty cool. Here we just have the vents and then the time right here, and then we have the hazard lights. You can kind of see my reflection. And then here we have the screen. It just has like the audio thing, a setup button, car. You can like change the song or whatever, and then it has my call log. Down here we have like the AC controls, all of that, so you can push it up or down or whatever. Down here right now I just have my phone, and then I have my lens cap, and I have a lip gloss in here. This is from Ulta. Shout out to TikTok. TikTok put me on. This lip oil is great. My tangerine is my favorite one. That's what this one is, and it's almost gone. And then there's like the that thingy, forgot what it's called. Then there's a USB port, and then an aux cord. And then here's my keys. This is what my keys look like. I just have like a furry thing, and then the key. And here's the Prindle. Shout out to you if you know what that's from. You're an OG. And then here's just the sport button and a traction thingy. Emergency brake. Sorry, the cord's in the way. We have the emergency brake. I have some water. There's 2 cup holders up here. And then this is what the passenger seat looks like. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then here we have the glove compartment. I just have a little cloth to wipe away the dust and stuff. I have my registration and all that stuff in there. That's what the passenger side door looks like. It's still, oh, I didn't even tell you guys. It still has like the blue trim like all the way around and like down right here. It's super cool. Here's the middle thingy right here. You can see my shadow. Hey! Right here I just have some change, okay? And then in this part, oh my gosh. This part I just have some sunglasses, a little phone vent thing, holder, some hand sanitizer. Y'all need the hand sanitizer, okay? Wash your hands. Use hand sanitizer after, when you're out, okay? And then I have a little room spray from Bath & Body Works. This one is Mango Mai Tai. And then I have some perfume. And this one is BG Sunshine Guavatini. Okay, but it smells good. So yeah, I always keep that. The only thing I need in here is some lotion and like some tissues or something. But other than that, that's what I have in there for right now. I actually have not been in the back seat yet. This is my first time. There's just some cup holders and an armrest right here. And this thing goes up. The seats still have like the blue trim on it. Super cute, super cute. and so does that part. So yeah, this is what the front looks like from the back. Hey guys, coming to you from my phone because my camera died. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Comment any video suggestions that you have. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.